What's going on, y'all? Check it out. Today we finna do some Coca-Cola wings, y'all. And they finna be real tasty, y'all. We gonna marinate them real quick for about an hour. Then we gonna get them into our wok, finish them out with a little sesame seed. And yeah, we about to do this, y'all. We about to do it. But anyway, let's get it.
And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. That like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. Let's throw up all them thumbs up, y'all. Let's get these likes up to 100 on this video. But anyway, after we get our chicken into our bowl, next we're gonna add in a 1/4 cup of soy sauce and a 1/4 cup of honey. And then we're gonna go ahead and rain on it with a little bit of pepper. We don't need any salt because we got the soy sauce on there, y'all. That's gonna bring our salty flavor. And then we gonna go ahead and give this a mixy mix. Make sure you get everything combined, and we're gonna let this sit for about an hour. Now after marinating for about an hour, we're gonna get into 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. And we're gonna go ahead and get a little bit of color on these wings. Not a lot, y'all, just a little bit. Once we got all our wings in, let's give it a quick toss. And that's just to get the sesame oil all over those wings. And then we're gonna get in 1/2 of a diced red onion. Small, and about 2 cloves of garlic. We're gonna give that a mix just to combine those flavors. And as you can see, some of our wings have just a little bit of color on them, and that's all you want, y'all. That's all you want. Once we get everything combined, we're gonna go ahead and add in 1 12-ounce can of Coca-Cola. Give that a quick little mix, just making sure nothing is sticking. Then we're gonna add in the rest of our marinade. Now once it cooks down to about this level, we're gonna start stirring this and mixing it, because it won't be long now before it's done, y'all. Because as soon as all that liquid evaporates, we ready to eat. Now once we get to this point, see how all that liquid has evaporated and been absorbed into those chicken wings? We ready to eat, y'all. We ready to eat. Now I had mine with some fried rice. I didn't add any meat to my rice this time. You know, just plain fried rice with a few vegetables. And check out these chicken wings, y'all. Just so you can see that inside, take a look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Grab that piece of wing that I tore off and take a look at that shot. So tasty, y'all. So tasty. But anyway, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.